this next step, you're going to want to wipe your nails very good because you do not want anything sticky on your nails. Otherwise, the powder that we will end up using will stick to it. I'm using McCart's foil glue, taking my Yasterd brush, and I'm taking the 20 mm. Just put some of that on the table, and we are literally going to draw our spider web. So obviously I forgot to top coat the thumb, so this is what it would look like shiny. And then this is what I did matte. I love the fine lines, so I think that adds a little extra something. And I think the flash is picking up on camera, but let me tell you, in real life, this is outrageous, and I am literally obsessed. So the flash powder I got in the MANIOLOGY box of shadows. I believe they are carrying this on their site, so I will go ahead and link it down below. And this is the final product. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.